Picture this scene with me. You're standing in the vast Egyptian desert, the golden sands stretching endlessly before you, and rising majestically against the horizon are the Great Pyramids of Giza, structures that have puzzled humanity for over 4,500 years. For centuries, we believed we understood these magnificent monuments. But what a team of international researchers discovered just recently has forced us to question everything. The phenomenon they encountered doesn't just add to our knowledge, it completely defies the logical explanations we've relied on for generations. Imagine you're part of an elite archaeological team using cutting-edge ground-penetrating radar technology to scan beneath the surface near the Giza complex. The equipment is state-of-the-art, designed to detect anomalies deep underground that human eyes could never see. As the data starts coming through, the scientists notice something that makes absolutely no sense according to conventional geological understanding. There, beneath layers of sand and limestone, the readings show a massive underground structure with characteristics that shouldn't exist in this location. The initial reaction was disbelief. Could the machines be malfunctioning? But repeated scans from different angles confirmed the impossible. There was something down there that defied all expectations. Now, let's talk about what makes this discovery so mind-blowing. When the excavation team carefully began removing layers of sediment, they encountered construction techniques that challenge our entire timeline of ancient Egyptian engineering capabilities. The precision of the stonework they found was beyond anything previously documented from that era. We're talking about massive blocks fitted together with such exactness that you couldn't slide even a piece of paper between them. But here's where it gets truly mysterious. The geological analysis of these stones revealed something absolutely shocking. The material composition includes minerals that don't naturally occur in the Giza region. How did ancient builders transport these specific stones to this exact location? And more importantly, why? As researchers continued their careful excavation, they discovered an intricate network of underground passages that seemed to follow astronomical alignments with incredible precision. Picture, if you will, narrow corridors carved through solid bedrock, extending in multiple directions like the branches of an ancient tree. When scientists mapped these passages and analyzed their orientations, they found something that honestly sent chills down their spines. The tunnels align perfectly with specific constellations that were visible in the night sky over 4,000 years ago. This level of astronomical knowledge and engineering execution was thought to be impossible for that time period. Deep within one of these underground chambers, the team discovered walls covered with previously unknown hieroglyphic inscriptions. These aren't your typical ancient Egyptian writings. The symbols include characters that don't appear in any known hieroglyphic dictionary. Expert linguists and Egyptologists from around the world have been studying these inscriptions, trying to decode their meaning. Early interpretations suggest these texts describe advanced knowledge about mathematics, astronomy, and possibly even concepts that resemble early forms of physics. How did an ancient civilization possess such sophisticated understanding thousands of years before these subjects were formally developed? Now, let's dive deeper into the technological mystery that has scientists scratching their heads. Within the newly discovered chambers, researchers found remnants of what appears to be an ancient mechanism. The metalwork shows signs of techniques that historians believed were developed much later in human history. We're talking about precision metalworking, joining methods, and alloy compositions that challenge our timeline of technological advancement. When samples were sent to metallurgy laboratories for analysis, the results were stunning. The metal contains trace elements that create properties of extreme durability, and the forging methods required knowledge of temperatures and processes that shouldn't have existed in ancient Egypt. But here's where this discovery becomes even more perplexing. The underground complex contains evidence of an advanced water management system. Picture this: channels carved through stone, designed to collect, filter and distribute water with remarkable efficiency. The engineering principles demonstrate understanding of hydraulics, pressure dynamics and fluid mechanics. Modern engineers examining these ancient systems have admitted that the design is not only functional, but in some ways superior to early modern water systems. How did ancient builders acquire this level of engineering expertise? What we're witnessing here is something that demands we reconsider our assumptions about ancient civilizations. For too long, we've looked at our ancestors through a lens of technological superiority, assuming their knowledge was primitive compared to ours. But discoveries like this mysterious phenomenon near Giza force us to acknowledge a humbling truth. Ancient peoples possess sophisticated knowledge that we're only beginning to understand. Their achievements weren't just impressive for their time. They represent intellectual and engineering accomplishments that challenge even our modern capabilities. The scientific community is now engaged in heated debates about what this discovery means for our understanding of ancient Egyptian civilization. Some researchers propose that there may have been knowledge transfer from even older civilizations that we haven't yet identified. Others suggest that ancient Egyptians developed independently advanced scientific and engineering principles that were lost to history. There's even a controversial theory suggesting that multiple advanced ancient cultures across the globe may have been connected through trade routes and knowledge exchange far more extensive than we previously imagined. You know, recent carbon dating and geological surveys of the site have added another layer of mystery. The results suggest that some elements of this underground complex may be even older than the pyramids themselves, potentially dating back 5,000 years or more. This timeline challenges everything we know about the development of complex civilizations in the Nile Valley. If these dates are accurate, it means that sophisticated architectural and engineering knowledge existed in this region centuries before the construction of the Great Pyramid, fundamentally altering our historical narrative. What makes this discovery particularly significant is how it connects to other mysterious findings around the world. Similar unexplained technological achievements have been discovered in ancient sites across South America, Asia, and other parts of Africa. Could there have been a global network of advanced ancient knowledge that has been lost to time? The mysterious phenomenon near Giza might be one piece of a much larger puzzle that spans continents and millennia. As excavations continue, each day brings new revelations that challenge our understanding. The archaeological team is working with extreme care, using the most advanced techniques to preserve and document every detail. They understand that this site has the potential to rewrite significant chapters of human history. The implications extend beyond archaeology into fields like ancient astronomy, engineering history, linguistics, and our fundamental understanding of human intellectual development. So, what do you think about this incredible discovery? Does it suggest that ancient civilizations were far more advanced than we've given them credit for? Could there be even more shocking revelations waiting beneath the sands of Giza? Share your theories in the comments below, and let's unravel this mystery together. Don't forget to subscribe to Ancient Mystery, because in our next episode we'll be travelling to another ancient site where recent discoveries are challenging everything we thought we knew about our ancestors. Until then, keep exploring, keep questioning, and never stop seeking the truth hidden beneath the sands of